Oh, that's my cell phone. Hello? Oh, hi, cuz. Are you in a tunnel? This isn't a very good line. Oh, I'm in paradise. I've got on cloud 9 and here I am. Now? But I'm waiting on the perfect wave. What is the source? And I've used up most of my gold dust too. What buffers? This is a really bad line. Hello? My cell phone's not working properly. Hello? I want my money back. That's gonna leave a mark. Oh, maybe it's in here. Oh, cake. Ugh, that's not cake. How cute. 5 little glass figurines. Oh, hello. This is too much. I gotta get back to the island. I gotta get to cousin. Hiya. Who are you? See, Junior. Did I drop some sunglasses when I came in here? Oh well, I might as well use some more of this stuff. See you, Lily. Pistol! I've given up on seeing you again. Let's blue, green, red, and goes beep beep. No, trains, talking trains. And I'm off to see them right now on the island of Soda and cousin. But I've overslept and I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you want to come? I hope so. I want to get back to the beach. Good. It's this way. We'll take the shortcut. There's 2 of us. Oh well, that means I'll have to use Cuz's extra supply of gold dust. It doesn't matter. We'll have plenty more soon. Be my guest. I'll take care of it for you. Ready? Here goes. Maybe you're smaller. I'm adjusted to new surroundings. This is the only place this ever happens to me. Oh, bit bouncing, isn't it? Conductor's Railroad. Whatever. We're traveling miles and miles to the island, but I don't know if this railroad's gonna last much longer. It'll vanish like the engine. That engine that traveled to this railroad. Cousin and I never saw it. We don't know what happened to it. Hey, what's that doing there? You ready, Lily? Here are the buffers. Oh, God. The island of Soda, of course. This way. Achoo! Ugh, bungus. I think I'm allergic to grass. Achoo! The trains, I told you they could talk. We're just too far away to hear what they are saying. It's Thomas! Thomas! Now, don't you look surprised. I know you haven't seen me since. Hey, we had a laugh. First prize. Lily, Thomas. Thomas, Lily. Now, where's my cousin? Come on, Lily. I'm very at home on trains. Oh. Traveling sickness. Pistol, Lily. I think it's my cousin. Come on, Lily. Hey, cuz, what's up? Enjoying the sun? Hey, cuz, you're looking terrible. Why don't we get more gold dust? I used yours up. Then you could go back home and I can go back to the beach. I've got it. Hello? No, this is his cousin. Who is this? Oh, hello, Hattie. No, he's hanging around here somewhere. Cuz, this is Lily. She's staying with Grandpa Stone. Oh! This is just like the fun fair! Give us 2 seconds! Woo-hoo! Oh no, my beach bag! Really? Watch me! Hero! I'm sorry, Lily, because I haven't been responsible for Hyper really useful, but I will be! Ah! James! It's empty. We'll think of something. I'll fetch you some more, Lily, I promise. But if I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of the stuff. James the Brains, get us out of here! Yahoo! Bye, James. Achoo! Sorry I've been so long, cuz, but better late than ever. Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. We're down, but we're not out. I reckon this is one beautiful engine. This is the lost engine! Are we glad to see you? Now we could go back to shining time! What's the matter? Gold dust! Ah! Of course there is. So well, a well means water. Please, please. Gold dust! Lily, I think I promised you something. Here, take some. So, cuz, how else can I help? Well, maybe for a holiday, but I'm ready to work. You got a job for me? With palm trees? And sunshine? I'll take it, what's the way?